Assalamu alaikum class 5. Hope you all will be fine. Let's start our lecture of English B. Today our lesson is lesson 5 sentences on your book page number 19. Let's start. There are many kinds of sentences. Read the following sentences. नीचे जो sentences दिए गए हैं उनको पढ़िए. Number 1. Cutting down trees is a crime. दरख्तों को काटना एक जुर्म है. Second, there was something sinister about the man with the old worn out hat. Sinister मनहूस या कुछ गलत के इस आदमी के साथ कुछ ना कुछ गलत बात है. With the old worn out hat जो कि पुरानी बाहर पहन कर जाने वाली hat उसने पहनी होती है. Third, the sun sets in the west. सूरज मगरिब में गरूब होता है. The set of words in red in the above sentences are all examples of phrases. कि जो red part है इन sentences में जो red से लिखा हुआ है वो सब phrases जुमलों की ही इकसाम हैं. Phrases are group of words that make sense only when arranged in a sentence. कि phrases जो होते हैं वो हैं जो कि अल्फाज का ग्रुप होता है और जुमले को तरतीब देने में कुछ सेंस बनाते हैं. दे डू नॉट हैव एनी सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब. उनका कोई सब्जेक्ट और वर्ब नहीं होता. दे ओनली एड समथिंग टू द मीनिंग ऑफ अ सेंटेंस. वो सिर्फ जो जुमले में मीनिंग को ऐड करने में काम आते हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर एक्सरसाइज. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड. कॉपी द सेंटेंसेस बिलो इन योर नोटबुक. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद द फ्रेज गिवन बिलो. कुछ फ्रेजेस यहाँ पर हैं जिनको आपने ब्लैंक्स में लिखकर कंप्लीट करना है इन सेंटेंसेस को. टू हैव लंच अराउंड ग्रैंड मदर विद द रेड हेयर विद ग्रेट रिलिश फॉर देयर होस्ट टीम. नंबर 1. द मैन डैश इज अ डिटेक्टिव विद रेड हेयर. द मैन विद द रेड हेयर is a detective. Second, Kelly and I went to the canteen dash to have lunch. Third, the children sat dash to listen to her stories around grandmother. The children sat around grandmother to listen to her stories. 4, the cricket fans cheered loudly dash for their host team. The cricket fans cheered loudly for their host team. Fifth, the baby is eating the pudding dash with great relish. The baby is eating the pudding with great relish. Next page, page number 20. Practice A. Copy the sentences below in your notebook. Underline the phrases. Some sentences may have more than one phrase. कुछ sentences के एक से ज़्यादा phrase भी बनते हैं. इसको हमने underline करके बताना है कि इसमें second phrase कौन सा है. Number 1. I bought this dress from the new store. From the new store is second phrase. Underline this part. Second, Mandy has invited us to her birthday party. To her birthday party is our second phrase. Third, I enjoy walking along the beach. Along the beach. 4, I saw a cat with a long grey tail in the garden. Tail in the garden. A long grey tail in the garden. I am eating a delicious cake. B part. In the table below, there are some phrases. Match the phrases in a column A with their opposites in column B. A and B columns हैं. इनमें दोनों columns को आपस में हम मैच करेंगे. Inside the room, in front of the gate, down the slopes, up the hill, after midnight, before sunset, in a rude way, at lunch, in a polite way before midnight, at dinner, outside the room, up the slopes, down the hill, behind the gate, after sunset. Let's start. Inside the room, outside the room. Next, in front of the gate, behind the gate. Down the slopes, up the slopes. Up the hill, down the hill. After midnight, before midnight. Before sunset, after sunset. At lunch, at dinner. In a rude way, in a polite way. ये सब ऑपोजिट थे जिनको हमने आपस में मैच किया है. नेक्स्ट पार्ट सी. कॉपी द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंसेस इन योर नोटबुक. कंप्लीट देम विद phrases of your own. Number 1. Honey came home to invite us dash. हम ये खुद से भी बना सकते हैं या phrases ऐड कर सकते हैं. For birthday party. Honey came home to invite us for birthday party. Second, the big truck broke down dash into pieces. The big truck broke down into pieces. Third, he kept his umbrella dash in the cupboard. He kept his umbrella in the cupboard. 4. The plane took off dash after 5 minutes. The plane took off after 5 minutes. 5th, I went with Benji dash down the hill. I went with Benji down the hill. 6th, the teacher praised him dash for his behavior. The teacher praised him for his behavior. 7th, our cricket team has gone to Manchester dash to play a match. Our cricket team has gone to Manchester to play a match. 8. Rita waited at the bus stop dash before midnight. Rita waited at the bus stop before midnight. Next page. Page number 21. Extended exercise. Copy the passage below in your notebook. Complete it with suitable phrases given below. यहाँ पर भी हमने इन phrases को इस स्टोरी में ऐड करके कंप्लीट करना है इन phrases को. Let's start. In the olden days, explorers and adventure lovers went to distant lands in search of the horn. In search of the horn. Voyages used to be long and also very dangerous. Travelers who went out to these distant lands came back with interesting tales dash to tell. They would often tell strange stories about the mythical animals. Some of them were horrible too. These travelers often told stories about unicorns with the head and body dash of a horse. Each unicorn was also supposed to have a tail dash of a lion, the beard of a goat, and a twisted horn on its forehead. Of a lion on its forehead. It was believed that the horn had magical powers dash to detect poison. So people often went out dash to use it dash. People believed it could cure madness. Cure madness. By sea routes. By sea routes. As a drinking cup. As a drinking cup. Again we will read. It was believed that the horn had magical powers to detect poison, so people often went out by sea routes to use it as a drinking cup. People believed it could cure madness. Okay, students, do it on your copies and revise again and again, and do practice of all these questions.